A very faithful morning, dears. Yeah, through this word, everyone struck something in your mind. Why the man suddenly said faithful morning? Every day, ma'am said only good morning, dears, like that only saying, but today it's different. Yeah, today I am also know today is a different, but end of this tale you can find out the meaning why I am said faithful morning. Okay. Let's enter. This is your turn. Tongue twister. What is that? Tongue twister. You have to try this. Don't skip, please. Don't skip. You have to try this because it's develop your pronunciation skill. Okay, va? Next, this is your game. This is your game time. Okay, va? I just give some time. You have to find out 5 difference between this both images or more than 5. That's your choice. Okay, va? Your countdown start. Yeah, okay. Did you find out any difference between that? Yeah, definitely you got some difference because you are a brilliant students. Because the Sitaram students are brilliant students and clever students. Am I correct there? Yes. High five. Yes. Next, let's enter the world's oldest family. What is that? The world's oldest family. This is Donald's, the world's oldest family, have more than 1,000 years of life among them. And then the 13 siblings forming family from rural County Armagh, Ireland, where these families are present, Ireland. Recently, this family received a Guinness World Record for being the oldest siblings on July 19, 2017. When it's got the World Guinness Record, July 19, 2017, the family attributed the record hard work on the family learned. What the secret to fit like that means? That secret is the family attributed their record hard work on the family land. They are in the land, they are working hard, then playing holic football, eating plenty of homegrown apples and abstaining from alcohol. The main one, they are abstaining the alcohol. In your family, if anyone addict in the alcohol means, you have to say to them, don't use the alcohol, because if you take alcohol means their body will be failure, so they are going to make the death. So please care of your family members. You have to tell to them, don't touch the alcohol. Not a family members, is a old grandpa or someone. Okay, va? If there, otherwise you don't want to force to this. Next, another secret is eating porridge twice a day. Eating porridge twice a day, oats at night, before sleep around 10 p.m. and breakfast at 7 a.m. They are eating oats porridge. They are eating oats porridge at 2 times in a day, that around 10 p.m. at night and at 7 a.m. at morning. Okay. Next, how we want to cook the recipe means they are gave some ideas. Cooked oats with milk, a spot of apple jam on the top. I mean on the porridge. Okay, well, this is the recipe. You want to try it, okay? Next, the family. Through this, we want to learn in our family we have to keep as a joint family. Don't split anyone in a singular, I mean nuclear family. We have to keep our joint family. Okay, va? As a big family, that is get many happiness and everything is there. So hereafter we will follow this kind of family and we also get some world records. Let's try or not? Shall we try for that? Yeah, definitely we want to try for our world record. Next, Al Mills and Namtichak Kwak. These are twins. The both are twins. I think these two members are similar. These two members are poeter, identical twins. Al Mills and Namtichak Kwak, known as the twin poets, social worker, award-winning spoken word poets. Next, this is one says world's largest family and here is Duck's family. What is it? Even the human beings and animals also have a family. What is the name of the dog's family? That Canid. The member of dogs in a family that is called Canid. That who are all in the member? Fox, wolf, domestic dog, golden jackal, coyote, African wild dog, raccoon dog, grey wolf. These are a member in the dog family. Okay. Let's see. A member of the dog family is called a canid. Dog family includes both pet and wild dogs. How many types of dogs in their family? Pet and wild dogs. Dogs were probably the first tamed animals. And it's come from the wild. It's come from the forest to pet. That is a tamed one. Dogs have been man's best companion for over 12 years. Next, African wild dog. African wild dogs have the largest packs comprising of up to 90 animals. They hunt together as a pack and can kill prey larger than they are. Oh my god. Next, this is a fox. Foxes are generally smaller than other members of the dog family. They possess a bushy tail called a brush and have a long, narrow, protruding nose and mouth. Red fox is the most common and widespread among them. Next, wolves. I mean the plural of wolf. Wolves live in large groups called packs. Wolves are the largest member of the dog family. Wolves are true meat eaters or carnivores and all work together to hunt and kill. The collective noun of wolves is a packs. Okay. Next, fennec fox. The fennec fox is the smallest of all world's foxes. Foxes eat a variety of food, stuff and eat whatever is easily available around them. Next, grey fox, raccoon dog. Grey fox and raccoon dog are the only two canids which can climb trees. These two only can climb on the trees. Okay. Next, that coyote. The coyote, also known as American jackal, brush wolf or prairie wolf, is one of the canid, which is found throughout North and Central America. And then pronounce coyote like this: coyo rhyming with boy, oat rhymes with boat, with the I at the end, sounds in the C. So coyote is a boy, coyo means boy and oat means boat. Oat rhymes with boat. Okay. Next, young canids are born blind and they require a long period of parental care. They are kept in a den, often dug into the ground for warmth and protection. Next, canids communicate with each other by various means, which includes scent signals, visual clues, gestures and sounds like growls, barks and howls. Next one, wild canids are found on every continent except Antarctica. In Antarctica, there is no one found the wild canids. Wolf eyes. I think the dogs has lot of members in his family, but the wolf and dogs are both more similar. But we can find the difference through this eyes. This is wolf eyes like a almond nuts. The eyes look like a almond shape. This is dog eyes. It's like a ball. I think it's like a ball, round and then straight one. Now this is your turn. You have to find out the eyes which is dogs and which is wolves. Did you find out which is dogs and which is wolves? Yeah, this is dogs and this is wolves. Okay. And then in our world, most of the persons like pets, especially dog like us. Dog like us. In this, in our class, some persons like dogs. I just say something about that persons. Which is the best dog to be a pet? Pet, that is golden retrieval and Labrador retrieval. These are a very best dogs to our pet. Golden retrieval is a confident, smart, kind and loyal dog, patient. It is perfect match for kids. Its favorite game is frisbees. And then Labrador retrieval is a playful, patient, loving, protective and reliable. It's highly intelligent. So you have to take well to training. Next, this Labrador likes to swimming. Next, this is our title. The dog found himself a new master. What is the meaning of this title? The dog found himself a new master. Why they gave this title this? Did you guess anything? I'm already said the dog all are in the same family, canid. Everything is lived in a forest, but the dog only tamed animals. The dog only come into the tamed animal. How? In a dog, family members are lived in a forest and it's wild, but the dog only come out. Let's see how it's come out and find a master. There were forest long ago. The dog and wolf was very close animal in there, and then the dog also was living in the forest in freely and happily like a wolf, like a wolf. But when it gets sick and tired to find his food and frightened when it's meet the stronger than him, that time only he decided that kind of one. Now the dog was very happily when it's get tired and sick. Now the dog was got sick and tired to find his food and frightened when it's meet the stronger than him. So he decided one thing. That is what I ask one question to you personally. If you feel very tired or sick means what do you want to need? What do you want need? Some persons help. Some persons help. So we need our mother, father, that kind of persons when we feel sick. So This dog also decided like that, but the dog cannot keep the assistant. So the dog decided to be a servant to any master. The dog decided to be a servant to any master. That master should be stronger on a earth. That master, the dog's condition is that master should be stronger on a earth. So who is a stronger person? Let's see. The first master. The first master. The dog walked furtherly and met a big wolf. The dog walked furtherly and met a wolf. Suddenly the dog asked to wolf, "Can you be a master to me?" Like that, the dog asked to wolf. The wolf replied, "I don't see why not." Finally, the wolf agreed that, and two of them went on together. Later, the dog said, two of them walked and walked. Suddenly, the wolf lifted his nose. Sniffed, darted quickly from the bath and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was surprised why the wolf was hiding into the bush. Immediately the dog was asked to him, "What comes over you, master? What has frightened you so?" The wolf said, "Cannot you see? There is a bear. Come with me. He might eat both of us. Come with me," like that. The wolf said. So later suddenly the dog decided he is not a stronger. So we don't want to be a servant to him. So the dog said, "Goodbye bear, goodbye wolf, I am going. I don't want to be a servant to you because you are not a stronger," like that. The dog said. Next, dog asked to bear. The dog decided the bear was stronger than the wolf. So he left the wolf and asked to bear to be his master. The bear agreed readily and said, "Let us go and find a herd of cows." The bear agreed the request and the bear said, "Let us go and find a herd of cows." Then the bear and dog found a herd of cows. Then the bear decided to kill the cow, but the bear didn't kill. Why? But the bear didn't kill the cow. Why? Yeah, let's see. Because before reach the cow, the bear heard one terrible noise. Soon they saw a herd of cows. Before reach the herd, by a terrible noise, they stopped their walk. Immediately, all the cows moving loudly and running in a panic in all directions. Same, the bear behind in a tree. Even he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Bear said, "Why did I have to come here?" Said to the dog. The bear said to the dog, "Why did I have to come here?" Then the bear said to the dog, "It is a lion. It rules the forest. Don't you know? He is the strongest beast on earth." The bear said. What the dog is expecting? The strongest person. So the dog decided the bear was not stronger than the lion. So again the dog said bye to a bear and left. Next, the dog go and meet the lion and ask to be a master. The lion agree and The dog served long and long time. That was a good life. Why that was a good life? And why the dog served as a servant long time? Why, dears? Can you guess anything? Yeah, correct. Because lion is the strongest animal than others. That's why there was no one complaining of stronger than lion, and no one dare to touch the dog or offend him in any way. So both are very happy and save the dog. One day two of them walked side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs. Amid bare cliffs means empty center place between the hills. That is amid bare cliffs. The both are walking. Suddenly the lion stopped. He gave a great roar sound and struck the ground angrily with his paw. Why, dears? Why suddenly the lion got angry? When you get the angry, if you are very happy, at the time if someone come in front of us, at the time we got angrily. But which kind of persons will come in front of us, we will get angry? It's friend or enemy? Yeah, enemy. Who is the enemy of the lion? Because all the animals are not stronger than lion. So who is the enemy of the lion? So let's see who is the enemy of that. And it began to back away very quietly. Next, the lions back away very quietly. Suddenly the dog asked, "What is it, master? Is anything wrong?" The dog asked to lion, "What is it, master? Is anything wrong?" Lion said, "I smell a man coming this way. We had better run for it or we will be in trouble." The lion said, "We had better run for it or we will be in trouble." The dog said, "Goodbye to you, lion." Why the dog said goodbye to you, lion? Because the dog decided the lion is not a stronger person. Then who is a stronger person? Yeah, man. The dog decided the man is the strongest person on a earth. So the dog asked to the man be a master. So man agreed that. Finally the dog stayed with him and served him faithfully. How? Faithfully. Did you understand why I said faithful morning? Yeah, faithful. Next, this happened long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. Nowadays, every human beings only believe the dog, and then the dog also faithful one to human being. If it did any good to dog, definitely it will reflect from the dog. Have you seen anywhere there? Yeah, that's right. This happened long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. Then your tale is over. Now this is your evaluation time. The question is, what are the animals closely related over the centuries? Second one, how to call the dog family. Third one, at begin how the dog was lived. And fourth one, why the dog decided to be a servant of anyone on earth. And fifth one, why did the lion back away from his path? Next, sixth one is, whom did he finally choose as his new master? I just give some time, you have to find out the answer. Let's see. Answer for evaluation questions. Dog and wolf. A second answer is canid. Third answer is like the wolf in freedom. Fourth answer is it was sick and tired to search his food and frightened for stronger than him. And fifth answer is it smelled man is arrived. And sixth answer is human being. Next, synonyms: ill pleased, not happy, wanted, stroll, frightened, scare, kinsman, relation, fires, wild, sniff, inhale, dart, bold, hastily, quickly, readily, willingly, faithful, loyal. And interrogative words: make a question using the interrogative words to the following answer. Listen dears, I have given some answers in the word bank, and even I just given some 5 interrogative words: how, who, whose, what, where. You have to make a question for this answer using these interrogative words. Okay. Next, your homework is book back questions. Okay dears. Thank you so much. Bye bye.